Crucial meeting between Hillary Clinton and Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, which is currently underway in the capital. It's the first of the several high-profile diplomatic meetings scheduled for the U.S. Secretary of the State. The meeting is expected to focus mainly on issues of terror, and the Prime Minister is expected to ask the U.S. Secretary of the State to exert pressure on Pakistan to bring the perpetrators of the 2611 to books. Other issues likely to come up for discussion are climate change, signing of the CTBT and the NPT. Sanket Upadhyay is now with us on the phone line. He is in fact outside the 7RCR. Sanket, can you give us the latest? What's going on?
Well, the meeting has in fact been on for more than an hour. It is expected to be over any minute now, and the broad outline as it was being seen, since this is the first high-profile diplomatic visit of Hillary Clinton with the Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh. A lot is expected from this particular meeting, and India is expected to talk on a whole variety of issues which are of concern to them. The topmost is in fact terror. India would want the US, as you also rightly mentioned, would want the United States to urge Pakistan to take tough action against the perpetrators of 2611, and also to make sure that Pakistani soil is not used to launch attacks on India. And also there should not be any US pressure as far as any dialogues between India and Pakistan are concerned. The second top concern of India, which could perhaps be referred in this entire meeting, could be, the reservations that India has as far as the new deal is concerned, and whether India will maintain that autonomous nature or that sort of nature despite not signing the NPT. So that is something that will also be, made clear. Also, India would want to ask Hillary Clinton and also the United States as to what its official position is on this entire issue of the signing of NPT. The third big or major issue that also was a cause of concern yesterday when Hillary Clinton visited that green building in Gurgaon is the issue of climate change, and how the United States is in fact pressurizing India and also other developing countries to get into an agreement and to actually pressurize them, developing countries, to cut emission norms. On that, Jairam Ramesh also had in fact specified in no uncertain terms that India is not going to settle for any legally bound agreement for the reduction of these greenhouse emission, but India is in fact committed to that entire cause. So India has sent out a stern message. There are a few points of disagreement with the United States, but apart from that, it is also being seen, this particular meeting is also being seen as a precursor to welcoming President Obama, who is slated to come to India anytime after September.